Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have a product review from PupShow. Do you want to know what this is? Stay tuned. Okay you guys, so this just arrived. PupShow got a hold of me and they asked if I'd be willing to review one of their beds for my Vienna. And I was like, yeah, she would love a comfy bed because their website, the beds looked really nice, like orthopedic style, where it even says that the way that they're designed, it will help them if they feel like they have anxiety or separation issues. It should help them. So I was like, you know what, that seems really neat because she is a very worrywart. If I even walk out the door, all hell breaks loose. So she definitely would need something like that. So I was really excited about it. So this is how it was sent. It did come in a mailer bag. So it looks like they probably suck all the air out to help with the shipping. So when I open this, I don't know if it's gonna or what's gonna happen, but they did let me choose the color and the size. And I think I asked for a large or an extra large. I'll go back in my email and find out and let you guys know which one they sent me so you know how much this would be. They did give me my own code, which is Crafty30, just Crafty30, and that'll save you 30% off any of the pet beds, and they're good for dogs, cats, any animal that you would have that would need a bed to lie in. So let's go ahead and open this up. Let's see how big this is, and then let's get her in it and see how she loves it. So let's get this opened. Okay, let's see. Okay. So did you think that pig would come out of there? So it did open up pretty big, and it is nice fluffing stuffing. Like I wasn't expecting that from that flat bag. So they definitely know what they're doing when they're shipping it. And yeah, so it's a circle. It's a complete circle, but it's wow, 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 wow. That looks like a Sesame Street character or something. Wow, wow, wow. So I'm gonna go ahead and put her in her new bed and see how she likes it. But that is super cool. It's so soft. It's very soft. And I like the little pillow like edging because she definitely likes to use that as a pillow and lay on the side. So I think she's gonna love this bed, you guys. So I'm gonna put her down so she can see that. But again, if you wanna check them out, I will link them down below. So let's see how she likes it. All right, you guys, moment of truth. You wanna see your new bed? Look. Look at your new bed. Look at your new bed, baby. Don't you lay down? Check it out. Lay down. Do you like it? You like your new bed? Is it comfy? Let's see. Lay down. Let's show everybody how much room you have. So she has like all this room in here. She has this big, nice little cozy bumper that I know she can use as a pillow. And then it does have like this whole like little inner side where she can like cuddle in there. She does love burrowing because of her breed. She loves to be under her blankets. So I think this is going to be a good bed. Hi, baby. How do you like your new bed? Oop. How do you like your new bed? Lay down. Do you want your blanket in there with you? Will that make you feel more like your bed? You want your blanket in there? Oh, there you go. Oh, you little spoiled girl. Now you comfy? Now you comfy? But as you can tell, like this is a good size for her, and I believe this was the large size, and she definitely has enough room. I'm trying to get her to actually lay down and like, so you can see. Lay down, baby. So here's her nice little long body. See, she can lay like that as a pillow, but she definitely has enough room if she wants to sprawl out or curl up. She has both options, and yeah. So this is the bed, you guys. The main, like the fluffiest part of this bed is just basically the outside edges. The inside does have like a little bit of padding, but not too much. Mainly all the padding is like in the sides, and that's just the way that it's designed. But I think it's really cute. I think she's going to love it. Let me put this in here. There you go. Now with your blanket, you know that's your bed, huh? No spoiled brat. So yeah, you love your bed? Is this a good one? Is it do you get Do you have a one paw up? Is it a, you can't do a thumbs up. Can you do a paw up? High five. Aww, and there's my baby. You guys, I kind of like fluffed it out. Now it looks kind of like it's upside down. It's really not. I just basically pulled up the inside and now it's a lot fluffier. Like it changed the whole way that it looks. That's crazy. But now it is super comfortable. Like it is way more stuffing. That's weird. Maybe just needed to finish getting adjusted from how it traveled. But instead of like these being pushed up, you can push them down. So it's just a round circle. Come here, baby. Let me see how you like it now. Come here. Come here. Can you get in your bed? Get in your bed. Oh, your blanket's not there. Hold on. Princess. Lay down. You're just gonna sit on the side. You're so cute. There you go. Yeah. You gonna make a little fort? You have a fort? So yeah, you guys, this is definitely a lot more fluffier if you kind of like just push up the inside, pull it out, and then now it's like way different. Okay, so after I had it all fluffed up like I had just showed you guys, and after she's laid in it now for a couple hours, it did go back in, but I mean, it's still pretty much fluffy on the inside. It's just fluffier when it was pushed up like that more. But as they lay in there, depending on their weight, they'll just push it back down, which you could always just refluff it. And I believe I saw on their website that this whole thing is 100% washable. Like you can toss the whole thing in the washer, which I do like that because I do like to replace her beds because I don't want them to smell, but this way I can just toss the whole thing in the washer. Say thank you for sending me my new bed. Give me a paw up. Is it good? All right, good girl, my baby. Okay, you guys, so that is what I have to show you for the pup show on the bed that they had sent to me. Thank you so much again for sending Vienna a bed. She's loving it, so I'm loving it. So thank you so much for sending that to me. And again, you guys, I will link them all down below, and Crafty30 will save you that 30% off if you do want to check them out. I love when companies pass down codes to help save you guys money, so I do appreciate that. So you guys, comment down below. Let me know, have you heard of this company? Have you seen a bed like this? Or what do you think of the bed? Do you think Vienna loves it? Comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.